The AI revolution is here, and it's creating unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs. Today, I'm going to share 5 profitable AI business ideas that you can start today, even if you're not a tech wizard. Remember the days when AI was a distant dream? Well, those days are gone. AI is now accessible to everyone, thanks to user-friendly tools and platforms. You don't need a PhD in computer science to start an AI business. All you need is a bit of creativity and a willingness to learn. From automating tasks to creating personalized experiences, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore these 5 lucrative AI business ideas that could change your life. The key to success in any AI business is understanding the problem you're solving. Whether it's automating customer service, analyzing market trends, or creating personalized content, AI can be a game changer. AI is taking over the world? Well, let's turn that fear into opportunity. By leveraging AI, you can not only stay ahead of the curve, but also create innovative solutions that benefit society. Let's break down these 5 ideas one by one. We'll discuss the potential market, the necessary skills, and the tools you'll need to get started. 2. Chatbot Services. Build and deploy AI-powered chatbots to automate customer service, lead generation, and sales. Train your chatbots on vast datasets to provide accurate and informative responses. 2. AI Marketing Services. Leverage AI to optimize marketing campaigns. Use predictive analytics to identify target audiences, personalize marketing messages, and measure campaign performance. 3. AI Automation Agency. Automate repetitive tasks for businesses using AI-powered tools. Develop custom automation solutions to streamline workflows and increase efficiency. 4th, AI Content Creation Services. Create high-quality content such as blog posts, articles, and social media content using AI-powered writing tools. Offer content generation, editing, and optimization services. 5. AI SaaS Company. Build and sell AI-powered software as a service. Develop tools for data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. So, what are you waiting for? The future of business is AI. Start your journey today, and let's shape the future together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-related content.